Hi there, Leah Steinkirk with Prowess Project. This week's technology tip is going to be focused on how do we find the best prompts for ChatGPT. Want to make sure that everyone is out there getting comfortable with these platforms because as an online business manager, these can save us a ton of time. But in order to get the best outcome, we have to make sure we're putting in the right prompts to tell us what we want. So you want to make sure you're familiarizing yourself with how the model works, learning the commands, and if you, on those starter pages, it's going to give you ideas and suggestions, but is a ton of information out there in YouTube videos, other experts providing downloadable guides, even the tech stack that you work with. Go on there and see how they're integrating with these platforms and what recommendations that they have. For example, I use Canva to create this presentation. They're using a feature called Magic Write and Magic Presentations. I want to go read all the documentation there that tells me how to use this to get the best output from the prompts that I'm putting in. So make sure you're joining, online groups, hop into our Facebook page and put in questions of how other people are using this. Again, this is a lot of this is mindshare right now on how other people are learning to use it. We're all going to learn faster that way. So how do I use this during my day is when I'm making sure my prompts are for social media content, I can put something in on a topic and I ask it to be an expert and then to give me data on 5 tips people would need for content writing. If I'm asking it to be an expert on content writing for the financial industry. Again, go on to the platforms that you want to use, read the documentation on how they're developing their prompts, and then you are going to start to develop, and you can copy and paste that template every time and change out your subject matter so that it's giving you the best output of data. So research for blogs, I'm using this for creating top 10 content. If there's a course development, if someone comes to me with some ideas about the course that they want to create, and I'm saying, okay, let me do a little research on what people are looking for around this topic. What questions are people asking? That's where I can put this into ChatGPT, and it's going to give me some output on what the most common questions people have. Research, I use this a lot for researching different softwares, figuring out what are the ones that are in a certain industry for project management. Generating YouTube scripts, and also for SEO purposes, I'm using this to help create descriptions or finding keywords. So get on there, make sure you're playing with this, find how this can save you time in your day as an OBM, and make sure you drop some things that you're learning about this in the comments to share with others. So you can also find us on all of our social media channels, and make sure you're joining our Facebook OBM group where we're talking about this all the time on how this is kind of revolutionizing our day and making us more efficient and being able to just make a bigger impact in the causes that we believe in. Thanks. Talk to you soon.